Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and let's get ready for today's project. If you remember in my previous video, we did a backyard cleanup, got everything cleaned out and off the deck, and so today we're going to scrub the deck and get ready to put some water sealant on it, and that will be in a different video. So today we're going to scrub the deck with a cleaner that I found that's supposed to be non-toxic to pets, and it's supposed to be minimal effort, which is great for me. And so we're going to put this on and scrub it down and see how it does. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're just going to give this a good hose down. There's some paint on here. I don't expect that to come off. If it does, hey, it's not. Awesome. Or should I say, if it doesn't, that's bad. Anyway, here we go. Just give it a hose down real quick, and then I'm going to hose down around the deck just to make sure that the solution is diluted, so that if the chickens get in it, it's not going to be toxic to them. So, all right, I'm just going to hose this down, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got the deck all hosed off. I've put water around the outside to help it keep diluted when it hits the ground. I am suited up. I have my gloves. I have my favorite shoes, my rubber boots. I traded in my high heels after I retired for rubber boots. So if you remember, if you've seen my previous video where we cleaned off the deck, I'd mentioned that I had come out here and when it was raining, and I slipped and fell a couple of times. So I don't know if that's because of the coating that they had put on the deck. Maybe it was moss. That's possible. I'm not slipping right now, but I'm not taking any chances. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start this cleaner. Like I said, it says, anyway, I'm going to start cleaning this, and I'm going to scrub with a brush, and then we're just going to let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm just going to do a little section. I'm just going to do a little section at a time. I can see a lot of the finish coming off in one area. Lifting that top area. It seems to be lifting that top area. Okay, so I've put the cleaner on and scrubbed it down. I could see the coating that was on the top of it just lifting right off as I was scrubbing it down. I apologize I wasn't able to get good angles on it so that you could see it. Just getting the camera in the right spot was just not possible. So just trust me when I say it was lifting off. If you look close in the video, you can see a difference as I'm cleaning it. So I'm going to just let this dry, and we'll back to take a look at the progress. Okay, so here we are, and it looks like it did a great job. It took it down to the wood. Didn't get all the paint off, but some of it did flake off. But I plan on giving it a sand before I put down the water seal. So yeah, that looks good to me. I'm happy with it. It was minimal effort. The scrubbing was not hard at all. I didn't put my back into it. So there you have it. The deck looks great. Minimal effort. Worked quickly. Was non-toxic to pets. Everything that I was pretty much looking for. So that concludes the end of this video. I recommend this. Give it a try at home. And I'll see you later. Bye.